like an actual lake. I mean, theoretically, the boys go to normal, so it's pretty quick.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
Get angry with it.
Alright, you got it.
That's what I'm worried about. Where it gets...
Well, stay, hug the side, hug the left. You're good.
Yeah, but it's getting soupy.
Momentum.
Yes. Stop crawling and pausing. When you pause, you're going to sink.
Like that.
Just like that.
Either way, he probably would have got it.
He's rolling out the window. I told him.
We should have just done that from the get-go.
The exhaust is beautiful, isn't it?
We should have just done that. There you go. There you go. There you go. You got it. And we sink.
Oh, you asshole.
Right? Somebody get the wind. Frog.
I think I'm done. Put your lockers in.
Oh, wait. Turn on your heated leather seats.
Alright, water's getting in. Use your luggage rack.
That is awesome. Use your luggage rack.